you know, people are fads, aren't they? But when I posted on the app the other night that I'm telling the story about what happened with the TikToks and stuff, the whole app wanted to learn about it. Then I got 100 messages after saying, I missed the live, can you send me the recording? I'm like, motherfucker, I was teaching you how to buy a commercial property last week, you didn't want to know?
Yeah. Any drama.
Mentality. If you get your mentality correct, and you get yourself right, and you put yourself in the right fucking position, I promise you, you will be successful. What I've shown, levels, and then gravel the rest.
And that's your double cast.
Yeah, gonna gravel the rest. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm having the drive done. Getting it all concreted to here, to there, and then graveling the rest. It is flat conversion, inside's all done, so it's just all the drive now, getting all that done, making sure we finish with a bang, basically. So, yeah, looks good so far. And if you look, it's got the keys are in the other car. I thought someone was here on site. Obviously, no one's here on site. No. We're moving, baby, we're moving. The weather's lovely, everyone's smiling, and the drive is being done. So all of this here is going to be concreted. The rest of the drive is going to all be gravelled. This will all be done by the end of today. The inside's completely finished as well. This makes me smile. The worst day.
Yeah.
To wear white trainers. I know.
And a bright shirt. We did
White shirt, white trainers.
We did a.
I know. But you're fit. Pass it here. You're fit. You're styling it out. There we go. Collusion. See, I did have cameras. That was one-handed.
Yeah.
No gimbal. That was me just doing.
Okay.
Right, we're about to shoot a reel. Here we go.
All right.
We have keys in the lockbox. So if you come here, there you go. Meters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Landlord. All in. Happy days. Floors are levelled. All the walls are painted. Might need another coat actually, thinking about it. Kitchens are in. Boilers are in. Pressure's on. Lights are on, electric's in, just the gas. But nice. You've seen it too many times. Time to go home to my children so I can take them to the park. Let's go. Right, so there's no Twixes. Because you did me dirty.
Flashback.
Over 2.5.
That is staying there. So that'll be here tomorrow.
We'll see.
That'll be here tomorrow.
We'll see.
Listen, my addiction is not that bad.
Really?
You did me dirty, but I have my 2 phones, a gimbal, and my, are they Meta What are they? The Meta glasses, Ray-Bans? Is that all it is? Meta glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought there was a fancy name for them. Look what he's doing. Look at him. He's Mr. Famous now. He's been on YouTube, and now he's
feeling
you
himself.
see all the selfies then?
Yeah.
Good morning. How are you? Excited? You're gonna have a great day.
How you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Excellent.
How long was the journey?
How are you?
We've just said it outside the door. We've just had a conversation about it outside the door. Yes. How are you? Are you okay? Ten, 11, 12. I've got this, okay, thank you. 12 high vises, 12 people on the tour. It's going to be an educational day, and it's going to be a day of new properties as well. Right guys, so you're in a beautiful part of the country, Henley and Arden. 20 years this has been a social club, so like I said, the demographic of age around here is 45 to 65 and then older. So there's a lot of complications when it comes to this property, which I'll explain to you. So coming in. Watch your steps, guys. So there's two RSJs, as you can see, and then if you look on this side of the, this is an RSJ, guys. This is it's called a steel RSJ. Can you see how there's a steel there, and then there's one there? So you're kind of like, well, why is the two just random ones drop below the existing RSJs and been fitted? Does anyone got answers to that? So I'm going to show you variations today, depending if we go that way. Just depends. Give you a variation of rentals.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
See, all of this because he hasn't had Twix today. All exactly. All of this.
Melted. You should have bought the fridge with you for my chocolate.
All of this because you haven't had your Twix fix. Okay.
You wish.
Give me 1 month. Just 1 month. Okay.
Going up and go down, you can clearly see that the people who bought it, who I bought it on.
What would you go with it? Door frame. Like, and I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah, I would go plaster the whole place,
Yeah.
new windows and doors, new flooring.
Yeah.
The windows are new.
Say again?
Windows are new.
No, but I'm on about if it was like I'm doing a flip, new windows and doors, new central heating, new rewire.
Back to brick.
New
Plaster,
kitchen.
back plaster.
Well, it depends on how bad the walls are.
Yeah.
But I'd make that assumption once I'm in the building and looking at it. Yeah. But I've got to go back in and lock the back up and stuff anyway. So, but yeah, this is a good property. And if you'd have come here 12 weeks ago, you'd have probably seen 60,000 rats because the bins haven't been collected for a very, very long time. This wasn't as bad as like Aston and Washwood Heath and them areas, but it was bad enough to see like horrendous levels of rats. Yeah, you couldn't get out, you couldn't move without seeing them. There was everywhere. Extension there, and then that side of the house as well is a double-storey extension.
Okay.
So
40k for all of it?
no, that was just that bit.
Just this
Yeah.
big. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So what you did into this? You bought a 3-bed semi and then...
Yeah, so this one's crazy. Let me just, if you come in here, I'll show you. Just go over there. So, when I bought this house, can you see where that still's been fitted? So this wall here, this was here. Okay, so that was the living room, what you're standing in. This was the corridor here with the door, and this little bit here, you know, the little bit with the laminate, that was the kitchen, which is from there to there, and then another room. So you had living room, kitchen, diner, and 3 bedrooms upstairs and a toilet. So when I came in and I looked at the house, I know the area, I know the ceiling prices, I know the target audience, I know everything about around here obviously because I'm from here. And I knew what I wanted to do with the extension at the back to make the kitchen and stuff, and I knew what I wanted to do with the extension on the side to add the 4th bedroom downstairs, toilet and a utility. But when I got in here I was like, I need to move this wall back, and everyone was like, what are you doing moving the wall back? I was like, I need to create a bigger living room to go in with the house. And they was like, oh, you crazy, don't do that, just leave the living room. I said, no, I want a living room, and then I want a middle section, and then I want the kitchen. He knocked the wall out, got the stills in, as you can see. Got a dog leg down here. Put the wall back a metre. And then when he come in, he was like, you know, that's smart, isn't it? I was like, yes, I know, I can see you.
I know.
Yeah, I know, yeah. And yeah, it's just a really cool house. And then if you come up here, so I've also had brand new stairs fitted because the stairs was too vertical, it was too old, it was 1970s house, so the stairs were too scarce. This is all brand new stairs. And then can you see this thing here? So if you look here, where I've cut it out, your head used to catch, so you used to have to duck. I've made a bulkhead, which means I've lost space upstairs because I've took this out now to push up, and you'll see when I go upstairs. Which I'm a bit pissed off about, but I'd rather have the head on the stairs. This is a child's bedroom in there.
Yep.
That's another bedroom. And then that's the master bathroom. And then this is the master suite with another ensuite. Yeah, it's a lovely house. Yeah. Gone a little bit off track because They wanted to see real stuff, real life, real shit. And I took them to real stuff. I would never usually show people because I don't think people are ready for this kind of development life. Get some feedback and tell the audience what they think. Because what I've shown, levels,